Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 2-hour Morrisons block paying £40. It's a sunny Sunday morning, the weather's quite nice, shouldn't be too much traffic. Let's see how we get on. So today we've got an 8, which is age verified, and a 5, they're in Gloucester. Then we've got a 1, a 3, 11 and a 6, which is age verified, and they're all in Tewkesbury. Hello, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
Need to ask you the year you were born?
1988.
There's 4 and 4 more for you. Here we go.
Thank you very much.
All done for you.
Thank you very much.
Some of those are a bit heavy, so be careful.
Cheers.
And that just popped open there. Nothing's come out of it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. You too. Here we go. There we go. All done.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Bye. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. The dog. There's the gate. He's a very big poodle. Hi, it's your Morrisons for you. Thanks. Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, not bad yourself.
Okay, so put these here.
Yeah.
I got 11 altogether for you.
Thanks.
Okay, 4 more. Stairs keep you fit, don't they?
Hey?
The stairs keep you fit.
Oh, God.
There we go, all done for you. That's right.
Have a lovely day, mate.
Yeah, cheers. You too. Before I give you these, I have to ask you the year you were born.
Yeah, 71.
Cool.
I don't need ID anymore.
There we go. That one's a cold one. That one's a cold one. I think this one's got bottles in it.
Sounds good.
Cheers, have a nice afternoon. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, finished in 1 hour and 20 minutes. I did swipe to finish at the end of it. It told me to go back to the store, but then after 3 minutes, the questionnaire, the end of block questionnaire popped up. And after I answered that, it's completely cleared the block. So you don't have to go back to the shop and you don't have to wait till 29 minutes to swipe to finish anymore. 2 deliveries close together in Gloucester, and then the rest were close together in Tewkesbury. The second to last one did have a lot of stairs, but that's what keeps you fit. If you enjoyed this ride along video, give me a thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to Marvin's Flex Tips for more tips and tricks to do with Amazon Flex. See you next time.